In this video, I'm going to review a type of problem that seems to come up often. I refer to it as the two kinds of tickets problem, but you can see that it will be applied to other situations as well. The main point of these kind of problems is that if you are given a total quantity of two things, for instance, 10 tickets, there are a total of 10 tickets, some are adult and some are child, and you guess the number of one type, you can calculate a corresponding number for the other type. For example, if 6 tickets are adult, then we can subtract and find the number of child tickets. If there's a total of 10 and 6 are adult, we can figure out the other number using subtraction. 10 minus 6, there must be 4 child tickets if there were 6 adult tickets. That's the main principle that's involved here. So let's look at an example of this kind of word problem. The concert venue sold a total of 120 tickets for a total revenue of $2,700. If the price of a VIP ticket is $35 and a regular ticket is $20, how many VIP tickets were sold? It seems like a lot, right? Well, let's look at the components of this and see if it fits what I just described. We have a total dollar figure for all of the tickets, $2,700. We have a total number of tickets, 120. We know the price for each of the types of tickets. The VIP tickets are 35, the regular tickets are 20. And we're being asked to find the number of a specific type of ticket. In this case, we're being asked for the number of VIP tickets. This applies to any problem where you have two different kinds of items, prices for each of those items, the total number of items, and the total cost. Let's look at a different kind of example that fits the same problem category. Joe buys popcorn and soda at the snack bar. The popcorn price was $3 and the soda cost $2. If he bought a total of 7 things and paid a total of $18, how many popcorns did he buy? So we have the total dollars for all of the items, 18. We have the total number of items, 7. We know that the prices of the popcorn were $3 and the sodas $2. And we're being asked how many bags of popcorn did he buy? So it fits exactly the same situation, even though it's not technically a ticket problem, we would use the same approach to solve it. All right, let's look at the steps briefly that you would use. First, find that total number of items in the word problem. That's the first number that you're going to need. Use the multiple choice answers as guesses. This fits what we would generally call the guess and check strategy. For each guess, calculate the number of the other item. Now, I would like to clarify, you can do this one at a time, and when you find the right one, you can stop. You don't have to check each of the multiple choice options. So you are just going to use subtraction. The total number of items minus the guess will give you the quantity of the other item. And then use those quantities that you just calculated and guessed and the known prices to figure out what the cost would be for that guess. Does it match the total that was spent in the problem? If it does, then you found your answer. If not, then move on to the next guess. All right, let's do a couple of examples here. Let me grab my pen. So we have a very similar question here. A concert venue sold a total of 100 tickets for a total revenue of $2,500. If the price of a VIP ticket is $30 and a regular ticket is $20, how many VIP tickets were sold? Now here we have some multiple choice options. Now let's keep in mind that these options are the number of VIP tickets. So we've only got 4 possible numbers there. And if we know these, we can find the number of regular tickets. And the way we're going to do that is 100 minus our guess. So for option A, 60, it would be 100 minus 60, or 100 minus 60 gives us a number of regular tickets of 40. Now, let's go down the line here to show that we can do that for each one of these. If there were 50 VIP tickets, there would be 100 minus 50 regular tickets. That would be 50. 40 VIP, 100 minus 40 would be 60 regular tickets. And if there were 30 VIP, 100 minus 30, there would be 70. Now, I think you can agree that if we know the quantities of the tickets, of each type of ticket, and we know the prices, we can figure out how much would have been spent. So let's start with option A. 60 VIP tickets times the cost of those tickets, which is 30, plus 40 regular tickets times the cost of those tickets, 20. What does that equal? Plug that into your calculator. That would be 1,800 for the VIP tickets, and that would be another 800 for the regular tickets. That is $2,600. That's a little bit too much, but we're close. So let's try 50. So we just do the same thing. 50 times 30 plus 50. There's also 50 regular tickets times 20. 50 times 30 is 1,500. You can do that all at once in your calculator. I'm just doing it step by step because I'm doing it by hand. 1,500 plus 1,000, 2,500. That's what we were looking for, a total of 2,500. This must be our answer. 50 VIP tickets were sold. That's how we would answer that question. Let me move along to an example that involves something else. We've got our popcorn and soda at the snack bar. This is exactly the same problem that we were looking at before. And you can see that we have multiple choice answers. So let's go down the list here. First of all, these multiple choice answers represent the number of bags of popcorn. So let's just label that popcorn. And the other number that we will calculate then is the number of sodas. Once again, this is the number of popcorns. This is the number of sodas. And if we bought a total of 7, we can find the number of sodas by subtracting our guess from 7. 7 minus the guess. So for the number of sodas, if we bought 2 popcorns, we must have bought 7 minus 2, or 5 sodas. If we bought 3 popcorns, 7 minus 3, 4 sodas. You see the pattern here. 4 popcorns, 7 minus 4, 3 sodas. And if we bought 5 popcorns, we would have only bought 2 sodas. Now we have to do that slightly tedious part where we are calculating the cost. We want to make sure that we get the right price with the right item. Popcorn, $3, soda, $2. So for option A, it would be 2 popcorns times $2 plus 5 sodas. Oops, I'm sorry, $3 for the popcorn plus 5 sodas times $2. That's 6 plus 10. That is $16. Not quite enough. Let's go to option B. That would be 3 popcorns times $3 plus 4 sodas times $2. That is 9 plus 8 is 17. We're not quite there. Getting close. We suspect this might be the right answer. 4 popcorns times $3 plus 3 sodas times $2 is equal to 12 plus 6 equals 18. That's what we were looking for, a total of $18. Our answer is 4 bags of popcorn. All right, that wraps up this video. I hope that was helpful in terms of attacking a problem like this. Now it's time for you to practice some of those.